Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure iPadOS is up to date and iCloud Drive is enabled. This ensures consistent access. Open the Files app and tap Browse to reveal locations on my iPad, iCloud Drive, and any third-party services. Once done, add a cloud account and locations if needed, and organize by folders immediately so you don't lose files. You'll want clear paths before moving content. This speeds transfers and prevents duplicate files later. With folders ready, drag files to move them, or tap Select and use Move for precision. This makes bulk organization faster. You can create new folders, rename items, and apply tags to group related documents. Use tags for quick filtering. For edits, open a file in a compatible app, make changes, and save back to files. Apps usually autosave, but make sure to choose the correct destination. Once complete, verify file locations to keep everything tidy. To finish, share items using the share sheet or copy iCloud links with specific permissions so collaborators can access only what you want. Make sure automatic backups are enabled and confirm iCloud sync status. This protects against data loss. If files appear missing, look in Recently Deleted, check storage settings, and ensure you're signed into the right Apple ID. If problems persist, restart the Files app and, if necessary, reboot the iPad to refresh system services quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.